Hi guys, this is Sohel, and today we'll be solving the problem of the day, which states level order traversal in spiral form. Alright, so if you watched my previous video or solved like yesterday's POTD, which said like right view of a binary tree, it's kind of similar. Okay, we have done level order traversal there. So it's basically the same thing, just that we need to like print here both the nodes. Now here's a catch. It says spiral form. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. But we don't need to worry about it. We can run a counter. See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so here when it is even, we'll like append it as it is 2 3, but when it is odd like here 3, then we will just take a like temporarily list, store 7 6 5 4, and while appending it to the main list we will reverse it. That's all. Okay, so we have like taken here from q import q is a module which helps us to turn any variable into q and use the functions. Okay, so let's start with the code. So we will take two lists, ands and temporary temp. Okay, now we will take a variable. We will make it a q using this function, q function, and we will also take a variable named count. Okay, so initially we'll store here 0. Now while okay, so what will we do? Another thing here, like in stack we use push function, in list we use append function, so in queue similarly we will use the put function to add an element to the end of the queue. So we will add the root node here. Okay, and then we will check whether the queue is empty or not. So why, like we use len function in case of lists. Here we will use the queue size function. So is not equals to 0, that means it's not empty. No, so we'll go inside. We will take a variable to store the size, so we can take the size variable. So q dot q size, and we will also run the counter. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Now we will run a for loop from 0th index till the size. Okay, and we will be appending here the elements. Okay, we can take a variable named node to store the data. Okay, we will write here node equals to q dot get. Okay, and here we will be appending the data, so node dot data. That's okay, so we have appended it. Now if like for example 7 doesn't have a left node, right node, but 1 has it, right? So how will we check it? Like we need to stop the traversal. If both the sides are null, right, we can't go on forever, so we need to do this. So if we will do it by using this if node dot left. Now this will go inside the if only if like it has some elements on the left side. If it's null, it won't go inside the if block. So if node dot left, that means node has some element in its left side, then we will put it into it. So dot left. Okay, similarly we will be doing it for the right one, like for both left and right one. Okay, so let's change it. GHD. Okay, so now we will exit the for, and here we will write f count is like even. If count is even, we need to, like, we don't need to reverse it, we will just extend it. We are using the extend function because it helps us to join to list. Okay, if you remember that temp is a list as well. Okay, I'm so sorry, we won't write a here, I'm so sorry, we will write here temp. Okay, so temp dot so here we will write ans dot extend temp. Okay, and else if it's odd, so we need to reverse that, so we can reverse it. I hope you all know this one. Like, what I did is, it's basically for loop. This means default start, this means default end, and like, if we are using here -1, this means the step is reversed, so this becomes the, like, if we are running from 1 to 10, so this becomes 10 and this becomes -1. Okay, so sorry, not -1, this becomes 0 because it's 1 to 10. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, we have completed it. Now we will be returning ans at the end. So I hope you have got, like, everything I tried to say. We have taken two variables, like two lists, and then we have taken a variable, converted it to queue, took a count variable, we appended or put root into the queue, we checked whether the size isn't empty or not using the queueSys function, then we have appended count here. We have run a for loop till the end, till the size, like, if it's this one, then this will run 0 1 2 3. Okay, size is 4, so 0 1 2 3. Okay, so that's all, like, we did it. I'm just rechecking once whether we have written everything here. I think we have done everything which is necessary. So now, acha, we have missed out one important thing, is that, see, after doing this function, we need to initialize temp to default. Okay, so we will, yeah, do this. This means it is initialized to default. Okay, so yeah, let's run the submit it. Okay, so we have completed our program, and thanks for watching, guys.